Spring is finally here. That means it's the perfect time to fill your garden with stunning flowers that will bring vibrant colors and fresh energy to your outdoor space. Today, I'll share 10 beautiful flowers that thrive in spring and will make your garden look absolutely amazing. Let's get started. Tulips are one of the most iconic spring flowers, known for their elegant cup-shaped blooms and a wide variety of colors. Originating from Central Asia and famously cultivated in the Netherlands, tulips are easy to grow and can create a breathtaking display in any garden. These flowers thrive in USDA zones 3 to 8 and require well-drained soil with full to partial sunlight. For best results, plant tulip bulbs in the fall, around 6 to 8 weeks before the first frost. They prefer cold temperatures to develop strong roots before blooming in early spring. With proper care, tulips will return year after year, though some varieties may need replanting. One of the best things about tulips is their versatility. You can plant them in garden beds, borders, or even containers. They pair well with other spring bloomers like daffodils and hyacinths, creating a harmonious and colorful garden. Just be sure to protect them from rodents, as squirrels and rabbits love tulip bulbs. Daffodils are cheerful, trumpet-shaped flowers that symbolize renewal and new beginnings. They bloom in early to mid-spring and are incredibly low maintenance, making them a great choice for beginners. These hardy perennials grow well in USDA zones 3 to 9 and can tolerate different soil conditions as long as there's good drainage. Daffodils are best planted in the fall, just like tulips. They come in various shades, including yellow, white, and even orange. Once established, they naturalize well, meaning they will multiply and return every spring with even more blooms. Plus, they are deer and rodent resistant, making them a great option for gardens prone to animal damage. Another fantastic feature of daffodils is their ability to brighten up any landscape. They look stunning when planted in clusters, along pathways, or mixed with other spring flowers. Whether in flower beds or pots, daffodils will bring a fresh and lively touch to your garden. Crocuses are among the first flowers to bloom in spring, sometimes even pushing through snow to reveal their delicate petals. These small but vibrant flowers grow well in USDA zones 3 to 8 and come in shades of purple, yellow, white, and blue. Their early blooming makes them an essential part of any spring garden. To grow crocuses successfully, plant the corms in the fall, about 3 to 4 inches deep in well-drained soil. They love full sun to partial shade and require minimal maintenance. Since they are low-growing, they work wonderfully as ground cover or along borders, adding a splash of color when most other plants are still dormant. Crocuses are also a favorite among pollinators. Their nectar attracts bees, which are just starting to become active in early spring. If you want to support local pollinators while adding beauty to your garden, crocuses are an excellent choice. Hyacinths are famous for their sweet fragrance and dense clusters of star-shaped flowers. Available in purple, pink, white, blue, and yellow, they add not only beauty, but also an intoxicating scent to any garden. These perennials grow well in USDA zones 4 to 8 and prefer well-drained soil with full sunlight. Hyacinth bulbs should be planted in the fall, about 4 to 6 inches deep. They require a chilling period to bloom properly in the spring. Once they start flowering, they can last for several weeks, providing continuous color and fragrance in your outdoor space. One great way to use hyacinths is by planting them in pots or along garden borders, where their scent can be fully appreciated. They also make fantastic cut flowers, bringing their delightful aroma indoors. Just be cautious, as all parts of the hyacinth plant are toxic if ingested. Pansies are some of the most cheerful flowers you can grow in spring. With their bright, multicolored petals that often resemble tiny faces, they instantly add charm to any garden. Pansies thrive in USDA zones 6 to 10 and can even tolerate mild winter conditions. These flowers prefer cooler temperatures and well-drained soil. They can be planted in early spring or even late fall, depending on your climate. Because of their compact size, pansies work well in flower beds, window boxes, and hanging baskets, adding a burst of color wherever they grow. Another great feature of pansies is their long blooming period. With regular deadheading, they can continue flowering well into early summer. Plus, they are edible. Pansy petals are often used to decorate salads and desserts, making them both beautiful and functional. Bleeding Heart is one of the most unique and elegant flowers of spring, known for its heart-shaped pink or white blooms that dangle like tiny charms on arching stems. This romantic plant thrives in USDA zones 3 to 9 and prefers shady or partially shaded areas, making it an excellent choice for woodland gardens. To grow Bleeding Heart successfully, plant it in rich, well-drained soil with plenty of organic matter. It blooms in early to mid-spring, adding a delicate touch to any landscape. However, once summer arrives and temperatures rise, the foliage may die back, so it's best to pair it with plants that will fill the space later in the season. One of the best things about Bleeding Heart is its graceful, old-fashioned appeal. It works well in shaded borders, under trees, or along pathways. Since it is deer-resistant and relatively low maintenance, it's a fantastic choice for gardeners looking to add elegance without too much effort. Forsythia is a bright and cheerful shrub that signals the arrival of spring with its vibrant yellow blossoms. Blooming before its leaves appear, Forsythia creates a stunning display of golden flowers, often one of the first signs that winter is over. This hardy shrub thrives in USDA zones 4 to 9 and grows well in full sun. Forsythia is fast-growing and adaptable to various soil types, as long as it is well drained. Pruning immediately after blooming helps maintain its shape and encourages better flowering next season. Because of its size and dense growth, Forsythia also works great as a natural hedge or privacy screen. One major advantage of Forsythia is its ability to bloom early, bringing color to the garden before most other plants wake up. It pairs beautifully with other spring favorites like tulips and daffodils, creating a lively and eye-catching display. Lily of the Valley is a delicate yet highly fragrant spring flower, known for its tiny, bell-shaped white blooms that dangle gracefully from slender stems. This charming plant thrives in USDA zones 3 to 9 and is perfect for shady gardens or woodland settings. This perennial spreads through underground rhizomes, forming a dense, carpet-like ground cover over time. It prefers moist, well-drained soil and does best in partial to full shade. While beautiful, Lily of the Valley is also highly toxic if ingested, so caution is advised if you have pets or small children. Despite its delicate appearance, Lily of the Valley is surprisingly tough and can withstand cold temperatures. It is a fantastic choice for adding fragrance to shaded areas, and it also makes an elegant addition to cut flower arrangements. Primroses are vibrant and cheerful flowers that thrive in early spring, often blooming even before the last frost has passed. Available in a wide range of colors, including pink, yellow, purple, and red. These flowers bring a delightful burst of color to any garden. Primroses grow well in USDA zones 3 to 8 and prefer cool, moist conditions. To cultivate primroses successfully, plant them in rich, well-drained soil with partial shade. They are perfect for woodland gardens, rock gardens, or even container arrangements. Since they prefer cooler temperatures, they bloom best in early spring and may struggle in hot summer climates. One of the best things about primroses is their ability to thrive in damp and shaded areas where other flowers might struggle. They attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, making them a great choice for an eco-friendly garden. With proper care, primroses can return year after year, brightening up your garden each spring. Cherry blossoms are among the most breathtaking symbols of spring, known for their delicate pink or white blooms that cover the trees in a soft, cloud-like display. These ornamental trees grow well in USDA zones 5 to 8 and thrive in full sun with well-drained soil. Planting a cherry blossom tree requires some patience, as it may take a few years to reach full bloom. However, once established, the spectacular floral display is well worth the wait. These trees typically bloom in early to mid-spring, transforming gardens, parks, and streets into picturesque scenes. Cherry blossoms are deeply symbolic in many cultures, especially in Japan, where they represent the fleeting beauty of life. They also attract pollinators like bees, contributing to a healthy garden ecosystem. If you have the space, planting a cherry blossom tree can be one of the most rewarding additions to your landscape. And there you have it, 10 stunning flowers that will make your garden come alive this spring. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.